Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Trading Nomad. I travel the country, USA, in my RV, and I trade the Forex market, foreign currency exchange. I use it on my mobile device. You can see this is live, real time. I made $1,329.96 last night with these two trades that we have been in for a day or two here. That's incredible. You can do the exact same thing. I'm giving you this for free. We're here on YouTube. I don't care if you see this 10 years from now. I will be giving these trades for free. You can get these from me. Just take the trade. I'm telling you when to take the trade. If you go to the tradingnomad.com, it will let you in to my Telegram group. I'll show you that. Here it is. I show it. I say I took profit on the AUD-CAD trade, and if you look at the total results, it's the same thing I was showing you, $1,329. I just take a screenshot, and in fact, I'm going to do a post in the group, and I'll show you how I do this. I'll show you how you're going to see it and envision it. But if you don't know anything about the Forex or the foreign currency exchange market, I'm going to tell you this. I just looked it up today. The foreign currency exchange market trades a little over, I think they said 9.2, $9 trillion a day. I'm not even scratching the surface here, but there's so much volume and money going through this. It's just currency pairs. If you don't know anything about this, look at these two currency pairs. I can draw on the screen here. USD-CAD. Give me a second. I was trying to draw on the video. USD-CAD. US dollar against the Canadian dollar. I made 1,090 on that trade. And the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. I mean, I have no love for the Canadian dollar. It's just what was good, and we're trading. $294 overnight. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm going to do this live and in real time. I can actually click the button at the top here, and we'll look at what I've made for the last week on this account, and I've given all but one of these trades away for free. So let me clear that out. I've made $1,981.88 while I travel the country. Like, what am I doing today? I did a kettlebell workout this morning, had some coffee. I'm probably going to hit the pool, probably do some lawn work. I'm hanging out at the family's place this week and this weekend, in fact, for a few months here. I'm just living my life. Went and had coffee with my dad this morning, and I woke up to this. Let me just go back here. I woke up to $1,329 on this trade. Incredible. I'm sitting in my RV right now at the dinette table. Wait till you see some of my travels. One of the things I'll do, I don't know if I'm going to do it today or not, but check it out. In my upcoming videos, maybe starting today, I launched another YouTube channel so I could post short videos, YouTube Shorts, because, I don't know, I hear that YouTube doesn't like it when you do long form videos like this, full HD videos. And also it's like they give you no love for having short videos. So short videos are the mobile, like a TikTok type style video. But I've got a channel and I've titled it Forex Results. And I'm just going to use that to show very brief results, but also maybe something like, me going for a walk that morning, or where I'm at, or, the culture, or the trees, or, the pool, whatever I'm doing. I'm just going to share that. It's because this is about lifestyle. People talk about, you want to be a Forex trader. I got to look at the charts all day. And should we enter here? And should we, only risk 1% of your account? It's all a bunch of BS. All you ever have to do is go to my free Telegram group, thetradingnomad.com, and I'm going to say, we're in a trade. Guess what? Here we are. Here is the next trade, and I'm going to actually enter another one just to show you guys how easy this is. So I just entered a little bit ago a CAD JPY sell trade. It's using about $200 worth of money right now to trade this account. This trade will end in a profit. How can you know that? Don't you take losses, Terry? I'll tell you what, when I take losses, my trades don't take losses. I'll qualify this. I might take a loss because I overbid in the market. I bid $40 per pip, or per tick of movement. Don't get caught up in the terminology. I bid $40 on this particular trade. If it goes far against me, or very far against me, a little bit against me, I'll probably scale into another trade and I'll probably increase my lot size, because guess what happens when I say lot size, bid size, whatever? Because guess what happens? The price does a pullback. If we go look at the chart here, look how the price, this is the daily chart, has, I'll draw on here for you. It's just, it was down here at the bottom and it pushed up, it pushed up, it pushed up. So I just entered a sell trade at the top here. I have an intuition, basically looking at previous price action. If I erase this and I scroll back, you can see that we have an area of interest over here. The price is touched here. It had a huge drop, right? And let's go back even farther. Let me erase this. I don't want to bore you looking at charts because I don't really do this. But there's also, if you look at where you can see my trade entry in the middle of the screen here, this is an area of interest. That's all it is. Interest to the banks, to the people that are trading the $9 trillion a day. It's a level of interest. So all I did was I said, I'm going to dollar cost average if I need to, and I'm going to enter a sell trade. And that's what we did. Now I'm also going to enter I believe it is GBP USD. I've been looking at it. In fact, let's go look at it real quick before I enter the trade. And you can take this trade. What's interesting, if you follow along with my videos, you probably could just use my free YouTube trades and videos alone and be profitable with this. You probably could. If you have no idea how to get this free app, the MetaTrader 5 app, go download it from, the iOS store or the Apple Play Store. Start clicking around on it. Set up a demo account. I think they give you one, but you can kind of ask me in the comments. I'm not going to waste your time now. Hey, Terry, what's a good broker? I'll tell you one. You go get a free broker account, set up a demo account. You can start practicing using my trades. You don't have to get out of the trade when I get out at the profit that I get out at. If you see what I did here, you could have got out earlier. If you follow along and you have access to the Telegram group, the free Telegram channel is really what it is. I post in there when I'm like, guys, I'm taking profit. Click, click. There you go. It's so easy. I'm like, enter here. Hey, guys, I'm taking profit here. So you're like, hit the buy or sell button. And when you want to get out, you see some profit, or you see that I got out, hit the button again, you take the profit. $1,329.96 in the account today. My trades do not lose. I'm going to say it. I know it's shocking. They're like, this guy's crazy. And you'll probably run away from me. That's fine. This isn't for everybody. But this is passive income, passive profits. I'm not telling you you're going to make $1,329, but if you take my trade and you practice entering and getting out of trades when I tell you to, because I have the magic intuition. I have the quantitative analysis that I do. I created a system that does it for me, and it basically tells me what to trade. So I just look and go, let's jump into a trade. So in fact, let's do that. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to jump into a GBP USD trade. You will see it appear here. I'm going to do it off screen because I have to open up my account and show my account numbers and all that stuff. I'm not going to do that live on screen, but I'm going to enter a GBP USD trade. So stand by. And there it is. I entered GBP USD buy trade. You can do the exact same thing. I pulled my bid back a little bit because I'm already planning on bidding a little bit more, and I did bid more and heavier on the CAD JPY trade that we entered. Now, if you like this, if you practice this, you can do it all for free. And then if you're like, I like this, and you want more trades, because I do it kind of slow on the free trades. Sometimes we hold the trades for 2-3 days. It can get a little boring, but if you're like, I need the dopamine hit, I need more trades, then you can subscribe to my subscriber channel. You can get more trades, more of the exact same thing I'm doing. My trades just win and end in a net profit. What will you do? I don't know. I don't even know if you'll hit the buy button properly. I don't know what you'll do. I'm not promising you anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy, the trading nomad. I travel around, live my life. Freedom, peace. It's just really simple. I don't have any expenses. I'm not living a lavish lifestyle, but man, passive profits really changes your life. It's changed my life. Obviously traveling does that too, but passive profits, simple. So we're in a GBP USD buy trade. Go ahead and enter it. Should work out for you, assuming you can click the right buttons. How do you do that? I mean, watch, I'll show you this real quick. This is not intended to be a tutorial. If you want a tutorial, let me know. If I wanted to enter a trade, I come over here to the quotes section. I look at all the different currency pairs. Okay. So let's just pull up this GBP USD. I'm going to hold my finger on my mobile device. I'm going to hold it over top of this right here. Watch. Oh, I did it too quick. Hold it right over top of this, and it says trade. That's what I want to do. I don't want to look at the chart right now. I don't need any details. I don't need any stats, and I'm not trying to cancel it. I'm just going to hit the trade. Right here, you can see. I'm just going to hit trade. Simple. I'll hit trade, and it will take me to the trade panel. And all I do is set my bid right here. It's right now set at 10 cents. If you want to increase it, you can click these. If you want to decrease it, you can click these, or probably vice versa, what I just said. You can see minus and plus over here. If I click, watch, I'll show you this. If I click this, increase it by plus 0.1, I'll just click that. So 0.1, so $1 plus 10 cents. It's it. $1.10 right there. 0.11. It's just simple. And then I either, what do we do? I'm not going to buy another one, but I just hit the buy by mark, click. You're done. You don't have to do the analysis. I do all the analysis. I just tell you. Just enter. What's cool about my trades, I say this a lot, is you can enter them at any time before it takes profit. You know, someone's like, hey, you're up $24. Take the profit. I could hit the button right now and take profit on that. I'm not gonna, because I want more. And I know it's going to give me more. It's going to give me a lot more probably. And this number up here, people are like, oh, looks like you're in the negative. Oh, looks like this trade is losing. Shut up. You're not losing anything. We're using, not losing. People can mess up words. We're not losing anything. We're using. And guess what we're using? In this case, we're using $212. Well, if you look at the number at the top, let me erase this. What I'm using right now is $178 of my account. Okay. Eventually that'll turn blue. I will take profit. Like this one's already profitable. I could take that profit if I wanted to. You could too. You do whatever you want. But guess what? That money goes right into your trading account and you can withdraw it immediately. That $1,329 that I made last night, right here, I can have that in my bank account and in my pocket within, let me try to be transparent with you, 15 to 30 minutes. It's not that hard. Just click, click, it's mine. It's simple, and you can do the exact same thing. I'm not saying my trades will make you $1,329. I don't know your account size. I don't know how much you bid. I don't know how much you're willing to risk. But I'll tell you what, you take my profits, you can end in a net profit, whatever that is for you. They're like, oh, well, you have a large account, Terry. Yeah, I've been doing this 10 years. I have a lot of large accounts. I have some small accounts. Start with what you want to start with. I seen an advertisement on YouTube or TikTok where these, some guy comes on, he's holding his mobile device. He goes, look how much I made. They don't show you like I am. And his friend goes, oh my God, how did you do that? He goes, yeah, just put 20 bucks in an account and let it go. Bunch of crap. Bunch of absolute crap. But what I'm showing you, the stuff's real. I'm actually taking these trades. You see the numbers moving. You will see my profit and loss on the next day. I mean, I'm showing you my profit and loss for the week so far. Every trade that I've done this week has ended in $1,981.88, and it's Thursday. I mean, so what am I going to make? A couple thousand a week on this account? Okay. Or this week? Have I made a lot more than that? And do I when the market's really moving? Yeah, you'll see. Stick around. But I am, $1,981 for your average person it's nothing to just poo off like it doesn't mean anything. So, what should you do? You should come over to thetradingnomad.com and figure this out. You don't know what to do? There's a comment section below this video. Might want to subscribe. If you subscribe, you're going to get notified. I post the video on a daily, regular basis, and I just show you the trades. Now, if you want more, then you can come over to the subscriber channel. Guess how much it is right now? It's like a few dollars. I'm probably stupid to give this to you, but I'm doing this myself. If you want to follow along and become friends and have a better life, or live the lifestyle that I want, or live the lifestyle that you want, and I really didn't mean the lifestyle I want. I would say live the lifestyle you want, but you can live a lifestyle like I do. Like I love traveling. I travel full time. Full time. It's incredible. The places you're going to see me at if you follow along. So anyway, subscribe, like if you want to. That's pretty cool. Helps the algorithm a little bit. And more importantly, what you can do is use the comment section below to ask me anything you want. When I see comments, I'll literally answer them the next day on the video. Again, you can get a free broker account. It's a free app, MetaTrader 5. You can get a free demo account. I say this every day because I think people just don't know how incredibly cool this is. Passive profits. Go tell somebody that you found a new passive profit system. They're going to go, watch out. You're going to get scammed. That stuff is a scam. What if what I'm showing you is not? Like, it can't be. This is real. Like, you take the same trades I trade, you take the same trades that I place, whatever your bid size is. When I end in a net profit, you'll end in a net profit if you're paying attention. Now, if I close this $80 worth of profit out right now, and you let it run for 7 days, I don't know where it's going 7 days from now. But I get out when it's at the profit level. I'm not ready to get out of this yet. I announce it in the free Telegram channel, thetradingnomad.com. So that's it. I put you on game. I'm giving you the trades. Subscribe. Engage in the comments. You would be absolutely crazy not to add this to your life. And here's what's cool about it. What we are not doing, I'll end with this, we are not staring at charts. We are not using some whacked out indicator. We're not using 30 indicators. We're not drawing lines. We're not looking at the stars. We're not wondering what the moon cycle is. I'm not even going to read you my horoscope or your own. You go look that stuff up yourself. That's what everybody's doing. Literally, you find any trader on the internet. This is why I'm crossing my arms. I'm being very resistant here. You find any trader on the internet, they're looking at a chart and they're like, well, here's an area of interest, and if we draw a channel line, and you'll see that it's bouncing off the channel, so as soon as it breaks out of the channel, we're gonna, and then they lose. Now, am I sitting here on my free YouTube channel telling you and showing you exactly all of my data analysis and why I'm entering and all this stuff? No. You really want to know that? I'm looking at, I'm doing a sell trade because the price seems to be maxed out. If it's not, I'll scale into a few more trades. The price will pull back. I'll be profitable. That's how it works. That's how it works. Don't get caught in the weeds with all these people looking at charts. We're not going to stare at charts. We're going to stare at profitable trades, and I'm going to show you my profit and loss, and you can take the exact same trades that I take. Anyway, that's it. Happy Thursday, July 23rd. Join us in the group, thetradingnomad.com. I shouldn't say group, it's a Telegram channel to be specific. That's not a group. You can't really respond. You can't talk in there. Where you need to talk, if you want to talk to me, leave a comment. I read everything. I'll respond to everything. Hell, tell me I'm funny looking. I got a couple jokes I can tell you, I guess. Ask me where I'm at. I'll show you a video. So get yourself some passive profits. Thetradingnomad.com. I'll see you on the other side. See you soon.